Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year, a Happy New Year, a Happy New Year, a Happy New Year.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow.